Hello, everyone. So welcome to our today's session. Welcome to our today's session. Remember, we are covering this from RCM Online College. We are covering all these from RCM Online College. So today, I want us to see on how to solve some little problems here. If you can see, we have some empty cells here, whereby these people below the first person there belongs to the same or have the same job title. So how will we do this? I found somebody doing this. I found somebody doing this. I found somebody doing this. So that one is automatically out of order. And therefore, let's see on how we can do that within 1 second. The first thing that we need to do is to highlight the entire worksheet. That is Control Shift, right navigation key, page down key to highlight everything. Having done that, you say Control G. Then we move to Special, pick blanks, and then you say OK. So having picked blank, you activate your cell and pick the first value that is up there, which is in D13. So we say D13, and then you say Control Enter. When you do that, you'll be able to see the names filled. Those empty spaces have been filled, and now we have the common names that were missing. So with that, there are many more other concepts that we normally teach you at RCM Online College. We also offer this CPA, ACCA, Advanced Excel, and Data Analytics. So please join us and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of these concepts. It is nice to host you today, and we are looking forward to coming back together again and also subscribing to our YouTube channel to get more of these formulas. Bye-bye. Let's meet in some other time.